Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is an exciting day because we have the Point Mobile PM351 in the house, and we'll be unboxing this fantastic mobile device. Let's dive right in and see what's inside the Point Mobile PM351 box. Inside the box you can see the device's power adapter and a Type-C cable. This rugged and powerful handheld device is designed to optimize your business operations and streamline your workflows. The Point Mobile PM351 is ergonomically designed, fitting perfectly in your hand, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. This rugged device is IP65 certified, which means it can withstand drops, shocks, extreme temperatures, and is sealed against dust and water. The PM351 runs on the latest Android operating system, providing a familiar interface and access to a wide range of productivity apps from the Google Play Store. Please press the subscript button to support us. With its integrated high-performance barcode scanner, you can efficiently capture data with our software agent, making inventory management a breeze. The Point Mobile PM351 offers versatile connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensuring you stay connected and share data effortlessly. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Point Mobile PM351 is equipped with a long-lasting battery that keeps you powered throughout your workday. If you are still worried about this, you can buy one more backup battery to stand by. So, work and use PM351 and work with AGAN. At hospitality and hotels, you can mobile guest services, exceptional experiences. On retail and manufacturing, PM351 can versatile data sharing, inventory control. On e-commerce, can efficient route planning, communication. On healthcare, you can streamline patient care, asset tracking. On warehouse and logistics, we have rugged design and real-time tracking. So, don't wait. Upgrade your business operations with the Point Mobile PM351 and take a step towards increased productivity and success.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, follows our Facebook's pages and visit our websites www.alcaidc.com.